Hi folks, today's recipe is Masala Vada. So I have soaked in about 200 grams of channa dal overnight. So it should just break like that. Okay. I've drained out the water. Just keeping a handful of the content into a separate bowl. Now in the mixie I'm adding in that chana dal, soaked one. Adding in 3 green chillies. About a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Just grind it coarsely once, like this. So to that I'm just adding it one coarsely chopped medium sized onion. Just giving it a mix so that it mixes well. Just don't mash the onions, just put it into the mixie for 2 to 3 seconds. That's it. So this is the final paste. So that I had taken over that side, right? That I have added that chana dal. About 2 to 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Salt as per your taste. Mix it once. This is how it looks. So in a kadai with oil enough for frying, I slowly drop in the patties into the hot oil like this. The precise ingredients are in the description box below. Check it out. Fry them once on one side and keep flipping it on the other side till they turn to this particular color, golden brown and crispy. Switch off the flame and keep them aside on a tissue paper. So your masala vada is done. So give this video a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and also check out my other videos. Until then, bye.